Now, keeping up with court-ordered child support payments is a must for every non-custodial father. Falling behind on payments can be a major barrier for a father trying to maintain a good relationship with his child and the child's mother. It can even land you in jail. So let's address more common questions about child support. You see, in part 1, we discuss how child support payments are calculated. What if the mother remarries and her household income increases? In South Carolina, child support is calculated on the income of the parents of the child. So a new spouse's income will not be included in the child support calculation. This applies if either or both parents of the child remarry. In South Carolina, the law says when the mother and father of a child are not married, the mother is the custodian of the child. But what happens if the parents share joint custody? How does that affect child support? With joint custody, child support can be reduced if the child is in the care of the non-custodial parent for more than 109 nights during the year. Yeah, 109. Can the custodial parent request child support be terminated if he or she is receiving temporary assistance for needy families or TANF benefits? The custodial parent cannot agree to terminate support if he or she is receiving TANF benefits. There must be a family court order to stop child support. What are the consequences for failure to pay child support? And now pay attention, because a person who fails to pay child support can be held in contempt of family court, which could mean up to a year in jail, a $1,500 fine, or both. Licenses can be suspended. This can include your driver's license, your professional license, your hunting and fishing license. In addition, your state and federal taxes can be intercepted. How do you get your driver's license back when it's been suspended for failure to pay child support? You have to contact DSS Child Support at 803-898-9314 if your driver's license has been suspended. Once a driver's license has been suspended or revoked, the non-custodial parent cannot have the license reinstated until they have reached an agreement with the Child Support Services Division of DSS to pay any past due amount. In addition to paying the past due child support, the South Carolina Department of Motor Vehicles also requires a $100 reinstatement fee. Are family court arrests for failure to pay child support on background checks? The answer is no. Family court contempt is a civil action, and only criminal action should show up on a criminal background check. If an old family court contempt action is on your criminal background check, you should request it be removed through the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division, also known as SLED. Can anything be done about the mother spending the child support on herself and not the child? Many of you all have asked this question. If you are concerned about the child's welfare, you should contact DSS to report any suspected abuse or neglect. That number is 1-888-227-3487. However, it is important to know that the custodial parent is not obligated to provide an accounting of how the child support money received is being spent. Now here's a big one. What protections or recourse does a father have if he pays support directly to the mother, but it shows behind through the court and the mother will not verify that the father paid? Unfortunately, payments made directly to the custodial parent are considered gifts, unless you can sufficiently satisfy the court with proof that the payments were made. You will not get any credit. What happens to court-ordered child support payments if the child is in foster care? When a child is in foster care, child support payments are redirected to DSS. That money is used to help fund foster care board payments.